discuss a very important question that would be, why should you get a colorimetry before buying your graduation suit? Actually, why should you get it done at all in the first place? Fortunately, the prejudices like thinking that investing in your personal image is only for women are becoming less in time. But still, I think there's very little knowledge on how much a man can benefit from getting a color analysis. This service is to find out the ideal color palette for you basing on your natural colorimetry, meaning your skin tone, your eye color, and your hair. And the best part is that the colors that belong to this palette will help you lift your personal grooming and bring out the best of you even if you're feeling tired or a little hungover. Of course, this service will be useful for you no matter what time of your life you get it. But let me explain to you why it's particularly convenient when a special occasion is coming. It guarantees that you won't get lost in the crowd. Yes, maybe that's not the most important thing for you and maybe you don't really care if you're the center of attention or not. But thing is that men's suits are so similar to each other that if you keep everything too conventional, you may get unnoticed at your own party. And I really don't think you want that. Knowing the best colors for you gives you the self-security to add color accents to your outfit in your tie, maybe a handkerchief, your accessories, your shirt, or why not, the whole suit. The service takes only an hour, and after that you will be saving so much money and time every time you get dressed and every time you go shopping. If you hate spending hours on the mall, then this service is for you, cause knowing the things that suit us best makes it so much easier and so much faster to limit our options, instead of taking half the store to the dressing room and then be returning half what you took. Why? Because you won't have to waste time anymore trying 100 options to see if maybe one will fit. All the opposite. You'll know in advance what pieces of clothing are worth taking to the dressing room and which ones will be a waste of time. And therefore your shopping will become not only much quicker, but also and most importantly, much more effective. Now don't worry, because if on the other hand you are the kind of guy that loves taking his time in the store, you can still do that. But the difference is that you will be doing it out of a liking of yours and not out of need. And this can be very useful if one day you're in a hurry or if options are finishing. With only one investment, you'll be able to save money every time you shop, not only for your graduation, but your whole life. Because knowing the colors that suit you best and the ones that don't make it much less likely for you to regret what you buy, or to buy items that you'll be wearing once and that's it, or that will never even leave your closet. You know why this is so common? Because of impulsive shopping. Or even if it wasn't impulsive, because we buy things we think we need or that we should wear, and we're not even sure that they will work on us in the first place. But don't worry about losing your freedom to pick whatever you like. Because for example, if you love a shirt that's out of your color palette, there are many ways to make it work. And in this service, we take some minutes in the end precisely to teach you how to compensate whenever you want to wear colors that do not belong to your palette. For instance, did you know that besides the size, the color of this coat is not suitable for me? This is light navy, and the color that's best for me in this spectrum is actually the one in my pants, the navy we all know. But then, why isn't it looking so badly? First of all, because the coat is open, and that means that my shirt, which is in a white that does belong to my season, is reflecting positively in my face. And second of all, because the tie, that's the garment that's closest to my face, comes in colors that are two of my best. And that way, I can wear whatever coat I want without being worried that the colors will reflect negatively in my face. You will look super handsome without having to wear makeup or spend hours getting ready. Are you maybe uncomfortable with expression line, or maybe you feel like you have a lot of dark circles? Well, wearing colors that suit us help us conceal all this, because the light they reflect towards our face makes it look much more cleaner and uniform. A color that is good for you will not only be concealing your dark circles and expression lines, but also it will make your teeth look whiter, it will make your skin look much more glowy and full of life, and if it wasn't enough, the color of your lips will look much more uniform and pleasant to the eye, even without wearing makeup. And if you like to experiment with makeup but do not like people to notice, wearing colors that suit you well will help you with this too. When we dress with colors that don't suit us and we try to use makeup to conceal that, makeup may be able to conceal dark circles and things like that, but what will be impossible for people not to notice is that we are wearing makeup. And on the other hand, when we wear colors that suit us well and we also wear makeup, it will look much more natural and suiting to our skin. Of course, this service is extremely useful for dressing, but that's not all it does. It's also going to help you a lot when you pick your accessories like ties, pashminas or scarves, and any other accessories you want to try on your outfits. And also, if you want to start experimenting with makeup, or maybe you want to try a new design on your hair, knowing the colors that suit you best will allow you to be the one that makes the choices rather than having someone else do them for you. So even if you took it for your graduation day, your colorimetry will help you optimize your looks every day of your life, including the after, no matter how tired you are from the party. Now that you know all the benefits a colorimetry has for you, let's find out your ideal color palette.